Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. My name is Mercy. I film about faith, beauty, lifestyle, and everything in between. Please do well to check out my other videos, and if you like what you see here, please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Okay, thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Luvme hair unboxing and review. Yes guys, I'm actually very excited for this one because I have planned for that week. I'm always having planned for things, but I have planned for that week and I need to make sure it is G to G. It is good to go. Okay, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. This is how the box came in. I actually got this order a while ago, but I'm just now about to open it, so let's go.
Oh gee, my bro, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. It no go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy.
I actually got this hair in 2019 and I'm just now opening it. In case you guys are wondering why the packaging looks different compared to the bob wig review that I have on my channel. Okay, yes, I got this in 2019, just in case you guys are wondering. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what's inside. Guys, I cannot believe that I got this in 2019 and I'm actually just now opening it. I don't know the level of discipline that I have in regards to this stuff. Yeah, it amazes me sometimes. Without too much talk, let's just jump right into unboxing.
My life is forever gonna shine before them to know me for my area.
So this is what it looks like. I hope you guys can see it. And this is the wig, which I'm gonna come back to. So in the box, we have this press, and it comes with, let's see, it comes with a comb, a tail comb, comes with bobby pins, comes with a tweezer, comes with this little clip. You have this elastic band. We actually have two of the clips, and then we have this wax stick. I'm pretty sure this already expired. Let me see. So 2022 7/24, yeah, expired already. So that is that. And then I actually got this as a free gift when I ordered the wig. I hope it still works. I hope it still works. Let me test this out. Let me just see if it still works. So guys, it actually works. It still works, which is good. That's good to know. I'm gonna put this to the side. And then the next thing is the wig cap, and then your hair care instruction.
On the form say you do like you know get the time for the head and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah.
So now we have the hair, and it comes in this little dust bag.
They want telling me good in my fantasy. They want to change if my dad be no wrong. But it rush whatever it be much. Now go they make my.
According to the website, the name of this wig is the 180% density frontal lace wig. They said it's glueless and it is pre-plucked. We're gonna try it on because I got a glueless wig because I know that I don't have the strength to be gluing down wigs, which was why I opted for the glueless wig. We'll see how that goes. I got this in body wave and it's 16 inches. This is what it looks like for now. Like I said, according to the website, the name of the wig is 180% density frontal lace wig. They said it is glueless and it is pre-plucked. So we're gonna see how true that is. The reason why I went for this wig is the fact that it is glueless. So we'll see if it is actually glueless. I'm not gonna be doing much to this wig because someone's gonna be styling this wig for me eventually when I need it. So I just don't want to do anything to it for now. I'm just gonna be putting it on, comb it, and that's it. So yeah, without further ado, let's go.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele, then call me.
All done. At least I like it better than the bob wig. It feels weird, but let's see.
Bank on it, cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on.
Honestly, the wig is too big for me, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off. So I'm using the little clip they gave us. I'm gonna hold this down to the side. Yeah. And I'm gonna do that for this other one as well.
Twist my fingers up on.
In case you guys are wondering, I have a mirror right in front of me, so I'm gonna be using that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. I hope I don't mess this up.
Bang on him. Lele, oh, yeah. Tobalo, go macho. Yeah. Tobalo, go macho.
I'm scared. I hope I don't mess this up, honestly. I hope I don't mess this up. Hey. God, that big go.
Yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro, kachoro. And if a boy feels,
I think I'm gonna take this off and cut the lace off camera, okay? I'm gonna yank it off my head and just cut the lace without it being on my head because I don't want to mess it up. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So guys, I'm done cutting off the lace. So let's see what we have here. Let's see what we're working with.
macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No, go fambo. As that day comes.
Okay.
As I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord.
Okay, it's actually not bad. It's actually not bad, honestly.
I cannot trust my neighbors as that day comes, as I go. God, watch over me, oh Lord.
I don't know, Sha, but I think I'll still have to glue it down somehow. But this is what it's looking like, guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I'm sure when you curl this hair, it's gonna look better. Like I said, I'm not doing anything to it. I'm just pretty much trying it on and then just combing it. I'm not curling, I'm not straightening, nothing. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's not bad. It's just that the cap is too big for me. I'm going to make it work. I am going to make it work. This is what it looks like, guys. Imagine when I finally style this hair. It's gonna look good. I hope so. The hair actually feels soft. I like it. I'm not mad at it. I got this in 2019. So imagine how much they must have improved in their quality. Do you get? Even though they say it's glueless, I'm still gonna have to glue it down somehow. It might not be much, but just a little bit to secure it more. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna show you guys the back of the wig. Yeah, I'm actually not mad at it. It's nice. What do you guys think? Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Like I said, I'm not styling it. I just literally combed it and that's it. That's what I'm doing to it. I'm gonna leave the link to this particular wig in the description box in case any of you are interested in buying it. That is pretty much it from me today. I hope you all enjoyed watching. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the review. Please, if you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment what you think, and share this video. If you watched up until this point and you are not yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. And please don't forget to stay prayed up, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. This dress is stressing me out, honestly.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me for my area. Now I'm here to the guys. Cause I came back on my son, conquer. My light is forever gonna shine. I'm so G.